How to create an online store for fashion and apparel products. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will work on squarespace.com, which is a platform for building websites or online stores. So you can just click on get started and you will browse through or search through a various templates that are pre-made that will make the job easy for you. You can just choose a template that suits your niche and you can adjust it a little bit to match your needs, and then it will be ready to work with. So we will just wait for the templates to load up, and here we can filter by type or by topic. So let's filter by online store, and let's filter by fashion, and then let's scroll to see all the templates that are available in this niche. So here this is the blank template if you want to create your or build your own template from scratch without any pre-made templates. And these are some fashion templates, as you can see, but I'm going to go with this one. It looks pretty good with its color and its design. It's a very good template. You have also this one's Alameda template and the scene template, but I'm going to choose the Trezor template. So let's click on preview to see the template and click on view demo site to see the template in full. So it's a very nice template. I really do like this template. As you can see, it's a charismatic template with its colors and its design. So you will need a good pictures for your products. So let's go and get started with this template. Start with this design and you wait for them to set things up, and then they will request you to give them a title for your site. You can skip that or you can just give them a title. You can always change the title whenever you want. So I'm going to choose a title, for example, like my fashion. So I'm just going to give it a title, for example, like my fashion. Fashion with S, my fashion, and then click on continue. You can proceed with this, but let's just close it. Close. And then this is our template, and in our left you have here some sections, as you can see, the website, commerce, and we will explore them right now. So let's start with the website section. It's the place where we can add pages or change the pages or delete them. So here we have a lot of pages, as you can see, and here we have some utilities. If you have a custom CSS, you can add it in here, or a code injection, or cookies and visitor data. So this is where you can adjust your pages. Let's go back, and here we have the commerce section. If you want to add a products or check your orders, inventory, customers, discounts, and if you want to work with a different way to sell, like memberships or custom merch, and if you want to adjust your sales channel like Google Shopping or products on Facebook and Instagram. So let's go back, and here we have the marketing area. If you want to set your meta pixels and ads, or your promotional pop-up announcement bar. If you want to set up also your email campaigns, SEO appearance. And here we have your analytics. We will find it empty for now. So you find your analytics in here. After you sell your products, after you start selling, you see your revenue, orders, and so on. And here you have your settings. If you want to set your payment processors, you go down, and here you have your store payments. If you want to set your payment processors like your Stripe account, PayPal, or Square, and Square it's only fair for the United States. And if you want to set your domains, or if you want to make your site go available, but for now it's private, only us can see the website, it's not shown for anyone else, you can change that in here. You can change the site language and the permissions, the regional settings, also maybe member areas, and Pinterest save buttons, cookies and visitor data, and a lot more. So let's go back and let's see how we can adjust this template. We just click on edit, and it will show us the website in full, as you can see, and it will show us the drag and drop options if we want to add a section or change the placement of the section, or change the writing or text inside the section, or change its color. Also, if we want to edit the section in here or add a block, so here you can change the background of this section if you want to add an image or a video or an art. And also if you want to change the colors, so you can play with these adjustments. It's pretty easy, there is nothing difficult. You can also move down this section if you want, or add a new block. Also you can change the style from here, change the fonts and the colors, animations, spacing, the buttons shape. So you can play with all these settings until you find the good design that suits your needs. And here you can change, you can click on the product section if you want to edit gallery or edit section. As you can see, you can also duplicate the section or make it your favorite. So you can play with all these settings. You can also change the header of the site or the footer also from here. You can just click on it and you will be able to change the footer. As you can see, you can change the footer, change the text. So after you're done editing your website, you just click on save and you click on exit, and you will exit the site. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to leave a like and share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to support us.